Okay, welcome to another tutorial. This one is a programming tutorial about C# and Project Euler, and just to get the solution to find the sum of all multiples of 3 or 5 below 1000. So this is quite an easy program and we've got it all set up for you. So the first thing you do is just set up your C# program and come into your main function, and then the first thing we do is we declare our result variable, and we initialize it as an int and initialize it to 0. So there we go, that's the first thing that you'll need to type in and do. The next thing you do is we've got our for loop here, and this stretches from here to here, and you'll have to use the for loop to initialize an int I, and then initialize that to 1, and then loop it through up to 999 and increment it each time. So that's our for loop to check through each of the digits up to 1000. So that's our loop. Now to the condition to check to make sure if they are multiples of 3 or 5, what you'll have to do is you have to use this command here, the if statement, and here we've got if I modulus 3 is equal to 0, or I modulus 5 is equal to 0. So that's checking that each instance of I is divided by 3 or 5 and gives us 0, and then if it's true, then we take the result and we add I to the result and assign that to result. So the way that you write that in C# is you write result add equals I, but the long way of doing it is this is what it looks like normally. You would I add result and then assign that to result. So this is the quick way to do that. So that's what you'll prefer to write and you'd probably get used to writing. So then the next thing we have to make sure is that the console right line is going to show the result of our calculation once the loop is finished. So this is where the loop finishes here. We'll just write that in there, loop finishes here, and then the right line the result, console.WriteLine result, is used to output the result. But what we'll have to do is we'll have to make sure that the console window stays open so we can see what the result is, and we use console.readKey so we can wait for the read key to check to see that we can see the result. So here we go, we'll run the program, and as you can see, there we go, there we get our result. So that's all there is to it for the first Project Euler solution. Hope you'll tune in for more and like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.